StrongLifts 5x5 Fitness Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think getting stronger requires complicated programs, but StrongLifts 5x5 simplifies strength training with a proven, progressive system. The program focuses on 5 compound lift: squat, bench press, deadlift, overhead press, and barbell row, performed 3 times a week. One standout feature is its linear progression approach. You add small weight increments each session, which consistently builds strength without overtraining. Most people get this wrong. They think lifting heavy is risky for beginners. The surprising truth is StrongLifts provides detailed instructions, warm-up sets, and a mobile app to track workouts, making it safe and accessible for all fitness levels. Another advantage is efficiency. Each workout takes about 45 minutes, and the program emphasizes full-body strength development over isolation exercises. It's ideal for busy people who want results without spending hours in the gym. However, there are considerations. The program is very barbell-focused, which may not appeal to those seeking body weight, cardio, or flexibility training. Also, consistency is crucial. Skipping workouts slows progress. In conclusion, StrongLifts 5x5 is perfect for anyone wanting a straightforward, effective, and trackable strength training program. Its progressive overload system, simplicity, and efficiency make it a reliable choice for building muscle and increasing strength. Subscribe for more honest fitness reviews before starting your next training program.